guys, in this video we will see how to create a Gmail account using your mobile device. You can use any mobile device, both Android and iPhone. Open any browser, either Safari or Google Chrome on your mobile device, and after that type gmail.com and finally click on go button to access the Gmail website. Here we will find two options. One is get Gmail and another is sign in. We will use sign in because we are trying to create a new Gmail user account. Click on create account, this option, and it will pop up two options. First one is for personal email and second option is for business email. I am creating my personal email, so I choose the first option and then I have to type my first name, last name, on username and password, and again I have to confirm this password. So I am doing this thing very quickly so that I can make the video short. Finally, click on the next button to complete the setup and you will come this page. So here for some users it might ask you to verify your phone number. Type your phone number over here and then hit next button and you will get a text message from Google. Just open the text message and copy the Google verification code from the text message and go to the next screen of the Gmail account creation page. Once you finish typing the full verification code over here, click on verify button to verify your Gmail account and you will come to this page. Now complete the date of birth and gender. I'm completing this thing and once I finish then I have to hit the next button for the next page. This is a privacy and terms page. We are going to the down and we have to click on I agree this button. I just tapped on I agree button and then it will take some time to go to the next screen. Now Gmail will ask me to install Gmail application. I'm not interested right now, so I choose I am not interested. I just tap over there and finally we'll able to go to our main Gmail account page. So this is our Gmail which we just created, and if we tap the three bar on the left corner, then we'll see the whole Gmail account which we just created. And if we click on the back button, then we'll go to the main window of Gmail where we'll see all the emails. And there is on the right side red color pencil. Uh, this I will use to create some email and I can send someone. So in this way, we can easily create a Gmail account using our iPhone or Android phone with some browser like Safari or Chrome.